Hi guys, so I'm Richie Mesquita and he's Amit here with me today. We are going to go outside on the port of Turku. We have a blackout party that's going to be because our ship is not going to be operational right now, and only the bridge team and certain officers are going to be on the ship. So we have been told to be outside the ship, and the good part is our company has organized a blackout party and they have booked a club outside, so we are going to head towards the party. This is our first official party organized by the company since the time I've come over here. So let's go ahead and let Amit.
और ऐसी बहुत सारी पार्टी होती रहेगी, आप बने रहिए वीडियो में, और बहुत सारा हम लोग फन करने वाले हैं और आपको दिखाते रहेंगे। सो वीडियो में बने रहिए, पार्टी कैसी होती है, मिलते हैं।
See you guys. So that's the party I'm talking about, and we are in the bus heading towards the downtown. The downtown is located like around 20 to 25 minutes from the shipyard. So we have reached to the location. So that's the club we are going, Apollo. So guys, we went inside the club. We checked in, and they give us a wristband of the Legend of the Seas, and also they have given us some coupons which we can redeem for a couple of drinks. Just in the meantime, we thought like we still have time, and it's just like 6:30, so we will just explore around and see what's around, and then maybe come back after an hour or so, and then join the club. Now we have decided we are going to go to some of the local mall and grab a drink because we are nearby to the riverside, just like my when you saw it in my previous vlog. So we are just nearby over there, so we'll have some drinks and then go towards the club because my friends, they have never been towards the riverside, so it's first time for them, so I'm just being their guide for today. We are inside the mall right now, so we'll grab some wine or beer. So Princeton is selecting a cheese for us. He says let's do a pairing of cheese with wine, but then we have an objection from one person who is not having wine, so we'll go for the brie with some beer. All right, so guys, we have taken some brie cheese to have it with a beer.
Non-alcoholic, any can.
It's not non-alcoholic, it's actually alcoholic. These guys are scared to
Just
say.
kidding, man.
Now we are walking towards the riverside, just like a couple of minutes from here. So these boys are scared that no one should know at their house that they drink beers. So here we are by the riverside, and we'll look for a spot to sit and then just enjoy our drinks. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, this is for the Richie.
But not for Richie, it's for Legend. So guys, I spotted this again, like this keeps going on here, the robotic service. So you just order it on the Volt app, and then the food would be delivered from that, which keeps it in the hot case. It's really very nice and good technology over here. We are very hungry right now and we are moving to KFC. We'll have a burger or something before we go towards the bar. So guys, here we are to KFC. We'll head inside and eat something, like we are super hungry. So we just came to KFC to have a small meal, what I say, like just a burger and some fries. And definitely after this we are moving to Apollo. Feeling so much better after having a couple of burgers and also some fries with my friend. So moving to the Rento bar, the favorite spot of mine. We are just nearby to that. So Brinchton wanted to have some fireball shots. So he said like let's go and have some shots. So this is definitely a go-to bar for me every time I come over here. So we are good to go with the fireball shots right now. Time for shots again, guys. So guys, we are in the K Market again to get some more booze. So once we get some more booze, I don't know, we went to Apollo, but there was still a crowd missing over there. So until the time we have one more beer, maybe we have some more of crowd, because it's just like 8:30 right now. So by 10 o'clock we should have some people on the floor dancing over there. So this bar has club, karaoke and a lounge all together. You decide your vibe where you wanna go. It's amazing. Oh, my missing friend, Angelo. He was missing from like more than 4 hours, but I met him in the bar. Me and Amit have been together from then, but Angelo was missing.
I'm not missing.
He was missing.
You are disappeared.
So this is where we are right now. Everyone is vibing. More than 50 of nationalities, I would say, over here. Each and everyone is vibing. So that's what cruise life is about. Like, so guys, as everyone can see, this place is completely empty. No one is here. It's 11:05 right now, so there is still a bit of sunlight. I don't know where the sun goes from here, because early in the morning this comes out. So I doubt if the sun even goes down from here, but it's been quiet right now, and I think I have to get back to the ship now.
Wake up, guys. No worries.
So now all of us are almost drunk, and now I don't know. I'll still wait for the end of my vlog. But Princeton have to go to work at what time? 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 11:21. Amit is still there. He has to go at 8 o'clock. So for me, it's easily 11:30. So I'll take a good rest. But I hope they both wake up on time. On the ship, it's always said to be like, you are your own belonging. So just wake up on time, guys, okay? No one is going to wake you up until you are late.
Security will come.
Yeah, or else security will come, okay? So just take care, and I'll still wait to end my vlog. So we have almost reached towards the ship now. You can see that the ship is right in front of us. So guys, it's time for pizza now. Once we go inside the ship, we are going to have some pizza and then get to our cabin and go to sleep. So this should be the end now for my vlog. Goodbye and ciao ciao for now.